Jai Hind and welcome to MyCodeTips. Okay, in today's session we will discuss about category. Category in Objective C. What is actually category and how, why we use category and when we use category. So category is basically a extension version, or you can say that completely some adding new features or new methods in the base, in the root class. Okay, let me clarify for that. Suppose you are using in your organization you have multiple offices or different location, and you are ordering something about your kitchens or washroom, that is tap water, that is tap. Okay, so you found that there is a leakage in your water. When we are using the water, there is a leakage, and that leakage part is something about the in all over your units that you are installed in your kitchen or washroom or wash basins or anything. So you want to change it. So it's not about you want to change it, you want to some modification, so that whenever we are using the whenever you are using that tap, or the vendor that supplies that tap should be fixed from the root, not from the utility person or where we are using that tap. Okay, means moral of the story is that we need to fix it from the manufacturing unit or the root unit, instead of fixing at our end or patching some that is not about root that is not about category is about to adding some extra features in the root classes or the base classes that all the objects you are carrying out, so that or the organization or units are using that particular type of spare parts from a particular vendor should be fixed for all organization, for all the units. So that's all about category. Category by definition we can say that provide the ability to add functionality to an object without subclassing or changing the actual object. We are not changing the actual object, we are to an ability to add functionality to an object without subject. We are not creating objects or subclassing something. Okay, so what we are doing, that we are adding an extra features to the root class. Okay, means suppose you are a class A, and you have a method that is method A. Okay, suppose that method A using all over in your projects. Okay, so you want to some additional features or additional criteria that that method A, wherever it uses, should be included that particular criteria or that particular variable or constant or parameters. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will create another class. Okay, we are create another class using category, and all the class methods and whatever you want to implement, whatever you want to utilize that particular method should implement on the newly created classes. Okay, basically let me this one. So this is your method. Okay, this is your NS string is completely the I can say that from the data type we use in all over in our applications, right? Whenever either NS integer, NS string, these are the commonly used data types. So what we want to do that? So whenever we use that NS string, so this portion of data should be we can use at that particular time. Means we can access this from any of the project classes, okay. So this is the basic functionality. This is the basic I can say the class that I am trying to explain. So this method will be all over the application or all of the project can be accessible. Whenever you access whenever I want to access get copyright string, this will be written, and this what type of data is that? NS string. And this, are you seeing this one? Okay, this is called the category. Okay, let me clarify first. Okay, suppose I want to create a category over okay, this one is the I have already tried to sorry. Okay, so I want to create a category of this class. Okay, this class. So what I will do? I will do that. Create new file. Create Objective-C, not CocoaTouch file. Okay, creates Objective-C file. Remember, CocoaTouch file classes are different and Objective-C file are different. Okay, these are the mainly 3 or 4 type of file supported, but CocoaTouch are the completely it supports the framework like CocoaTouch frameworks, everything that is view controllers and other stuffs, classes, frameworks, it will support. But this file can be you can create for extensions, categories, protocols. Basically for that we use this one. Okay, so what we are trying to create a category class, trying to create a category from the class demo class. For the demo class, suppose I category, okay, category demo. Okay, so file type, look at this, category, protocol and instruction. For these three file types will basically used in the Objective class type, class type files. Okay, so I choose category, and in the below class there is a lots of, you can see that. Okay, NS error for every framework or framework data type or whatever, you can create categories. That's why it shows. If I say NS string, look at this. NS string, you can create a category for NS string, NS int, NS numbers, NS null, NS object. So it will not impact on the root class or frame class, but it will add an extra features, it will provide an extra upper hand, so that whenever you use that class, your category method can be accessible for that class. So means you can say that it's a attachment to your class basically, for the root class, not your current class, it's a root class, so that in the complete application you can access that class. I said there is a, this is my current class. Okay, so what will it will do, it will concat these two classes to a single class. Look at this. So this is the category. How this is the category? This is the category demo that I initially entered the class name. So this is the category name, and this is the, this category name is on this class. So when in I have already these methods, okay, right, but I want that without interfering these methods here over this file. So I will add another class here, so that my completely my project or my application can access these classes or these methods too. So you can oh sorry. Okay, so now this class is accessible all over the. Okay, for your information, this is a class instance. One more thing I want to tell, that in category you can extend any method, that is class method or instance method, anything you can extend. It's not about static method or global method. Anything you want to add specifically to a class which can access throughout your applications, that can be added through your category. Suppose I want to add X, that is void new method. Okay, okay, new method 2, new method 3, new method 4. So you have to just implement here, that is 1 method 2, new method 3, and new method 4. That's it. So basically this purpose of using category is to make the class more accessible. Means the class, if your base class is almost 5,000 10,000 of lines of code, so you want to add some extra methods or extra features which can be accessed through your applications. So you can, in this way you can make a category class of that of that class, so that without interfering of the main class or the base class, you can add additional classes or additional methods which can be accessible through the application through the base class. It's only the thing. Okay, so that is the one thing I want to discuss with you. So see you in next video. Thank you.